Howdy. So today we're going to be looking at inflation rate with respect to CPI. So just a reminder of the definition of inflation rate. It is the size of the change in the overall price level. Now let's look at how to calculate that. So just a quick reminder of what CPI is. So CPI is the Consumer Price Index. So it's the price of the market basket in the current year over the price of the market basket in the base year, all times 100. Let's look at how to calculate inflation rate from that. So you would take the CPI of the first year, subtract it from the CPI of the second year, and you would divide that number by the CPI of the year 1, and you would multiply all of that by 100. Let's take a second to think about what that means. So in order to really get a good grasp of what you're looking at when you're measuring inflation rate, we have to first remember what a price index is. So a price index is a measure of how price changes over time. Now let's look back at CPI and see how it's doing that. So it's taking the price of the market basket, which if y'all remember is a fixed quantity of goods purchased in a typical household, and you're comparing the current year to the price of a base year. And you're using that comparison number and how that changes to find a rate. And that will give you inflation rate.